Minus 43 degrees Celsius. No roads. No people. Just endless frozen wilderness out here. One mistake can cost your life. The cold doesn't warn you. It attacks instantly. First rule of survival: build shelter fast. At 18 minus 43 degrees Celsius, your fingers stop working in minutes. Fire isn't comfort here. It's survival. Even firewood freezes solid in this cold. Lighting a match feels impossible. Then, finally, the fire catches. Water bottles freeze. So I melt snow. Oh, food is fuel. Without it, you won't last. Your body burns energy faster than you think. At 18 night, the storm gets louder. Fire flickering shadows on face. Loneliness attacks your mind. No signal. No help. Just wind. Survival is 50% skill. And 50% mindset. Morning comes. I survived the night that I N minus 43. In minus 43 degrees Celsius Siberia, nature decides who survives.